Hi, my name is Mallory. Welcome to this video. Subscribe down below if you're not already. I look crazy right now because I just got out of bed. We are doing a Sunday reset, so this is going to be super fun, so needed. I did a lot yesterday, but today I have to do things like meal prep, clean my coffee maker, pick out my clothes for the week, things like that. So come along. This video might be today and tomorrow, so we'll see how much I do today. Super excited. Welcome again to this video. I hope you enjoy it, and yeah. I am kind of planning out my day. Like a lot of random things to do, actually. I just placed my Kroger order. Somehow for just me, it's $124. And they're out of my milk. So I'm gonna run to Target maybe and see if they have it. Let me see. Because I really want to make some oats for tomorrow for lunch. So need to have my milk. I'm gonna clean my coffee maker. I need to put my clothes away from yesterday. Finish cleaning up my room. I really want to pick out all of my outfits for work this week. I think if I have time on Sundays, that is something that can really help me be less stressed. And then, like I said, I'm getting my groceries, so maybe I'll come home and meal prep tonight. I also need to walk to get my 10,000 steps in for the day. But the main plan today is to go to my parents' house and lay by their pool because it's going to be 82 and sunny, and I'm feeling a little pale, so I think that is a priority. Everything else can be done around that. So my parents have a really nice treadmill and I have this janky one, so maybe I'll walk at their house. I don't know. So yeah, happy Sunday. Let's do a Sunday reset. Let's make our bed. Can't go a day without doing this. Still obsessed with these pillows that I found from HomeGoods, and then the pink ones are from Urban Outfitters that match my bedding, and then the waffle knit ones are from Target. Those have lasted so long. I think I've done like 3 moves with them now. I would love either wall art, or ideally I would love to wallpaper this entire wall. I'm so indecisive that I just don't know if I'll ever make a decision, and then by the time I do, I'll probably move out of here. So that is like the last priority for me. And always wanted to change these prints. These are just like miscellaneous from different places that I've lived. That is from TJ Maxx. I don't think I can change it, but I like it. That doesn't even have a photo in it. Those two used to be above my bed with that one, but not loving the hot pink like chewy vibe, so I really want to change that. And then that is from a hallway that was dance, and then that was in my bathroom last year. But I would love to replace all of them with either black and white photos, like blown up ones of me and my friends and family, or if I can find some really cute prints, that would do too. Another thing, while I'm just like giving you a room tour, I guess, people always ask where this lamp is from, and it's from Amazon actually. It's awesome. The head always moves. But I got it on Amazon Prime Day last year, and I'm obsessed with it. I love giraffes. So yeah, that is a little update of my room, but not really anything has changed since I moved. Now I'm going to put my clothes away. This is what I have left. So let's do it. We've moved on to picking out my outfit for the week at work. It's gonna be beautiful all week, I think. Let's check, double check. Yep. It might rain on Tuesday, but that's okay. 82, 81 tomorrow, but it's still gonna be very warm. I need to pick out 4 outfits because I work from home on Fridays, but I want to dress up this week because it's gonna be so nice. So these overalls are actually from TJ Maxx, but they are airy. I've never worn them. Love them so much. They're a little squeaky, but I just put it on with this green tank top that's from Zara. So this would be cute with some sneakers. Outfit 2, I had to try on a couple different shirts, but I just got these pants from H&M. They are so stinking cute. And then I paired it with this white baby tee, and I'll just like accessorize a lot. And I think this is really cute with my potato shoes. Obsessed with this outfit. This is so summery. This dress is from TJ Maxx. I just got it yesterday. I ran it through the wash last night. And then this jacket is from Urban Outfitters. I got it literally my sophomore year of high school, and I am graduated from college almost a year now, so it has held up great. So yeah, this with some either sandals or sneakers would be really cute. Definitely love this. Okay, last is this matching set from Target. I got this for my cruise and didn't end up wearing it while I was there, but love it. I wish I had a tank top that was more like low cut. I might order one and see if it comes in for Thursday. I could wear this on the last day of this week. But yeah. Adorable. I've gotten some stuff done. I just don't feel like walking right now, unfortunately. I think at my core, I am an afternoon / night worker outer. So working out in the morning just does not sound good right now. So 10:22. I could go ahead and go to my parents', work out there, or just go hang out, lay down on their couch. Wait, is today Sunday? Yeah, my sister won't be there. Okay, I don't know. I'm gonna figure out what I want to do because, let's be real, I just really don't know. Let's go to Target. I only need 2 things. My milk, and then I'm gonna look at I think it's A New Day or Threshold, but I think it's A New Day that has the tank tops that are really inexpensive and such good quality. I need a plain white tank top. Those are the 2 things. Shouldn't leave with anything else because I'm picking up my groceries tonight. They were just out of my milk. Let's go to Target. Been at my parents' house all day. Come here. Got the tan for a little bit. I definitely have walked a bunch and been hanging out with my girl. Oh yeah, and my dad and I drove our Corvette around town, but now I think we're going to get some Mexican before I head home and pick up my groceries. Sorry, I can't say G-O. Meal prep just a little bit and then get ready for bed. I need to shower. I feel disgusting after working out, laying in the sun, sweating all day. So let's do that. Go get some Mexican. Hi, I'm home. I just showered and I need some more water. I'm thirsty. We ended up eating at Mexican. Hold on. Nothing like a hometown Mexican restaurant, you know? But I left early so I could go pick up my groceries. When I get there, I open my Kroger app and there's no like, I'm here or like anything like that. So I'm like, that's weird. And this has happened before. So I called and they're like there's no order here for you. I'm like, this is the second time that this has happened where I go to pick up my groceries and like the order just like doesn't exist. And I'm more than aware it could be user error, but like I do this every single Sunday. Like I pick up my groceries all the time and I pick up my groceries pretty much every Sunday or Monday. So yes, could be user error, but also like that's just so weird. So I'm gonna go on and reorder them for tomorrow and probably get less stuff just because I'll be out of town. Well, I guess not really, just like one day. So where's my phone? I think it's in here. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna film me submitting it and that way I have proof because I don't have a confirmation email or anything. Weird. But I picked out my outfit for tomorrow. This is the one we're going with. I thought a bow would be cute. Shoes, and then I picked out my jewelry, so it's so easy to just throw on in the morning. So yeah, let's order some groceries. Again, I did get quite a bit of sun today, so yay! Here we go. Pickup order complete. Morning. I never do my hair for work, but I'm gonna tell you, my hair looks naturally crazy today. So I'm just throwing in some curls really fast. Good morning, happy Monday. I am excited for the week, ready to go. Hi! I'm leaving work. I have 11 minutes to get to my facial. I can make it, it's like down the street. Oh, my hair. I had on the cutest outfit at work today. I'm like, I forget how much better you feel when you have like the cutest outfit on. Ooh, it's hot. It feels so good. It's 84 degrees. I'm going to my facial, which I'm stressed about because it's so painful. And then I'm going to Pilates and I'm going home. I need to get ready for work tomorrow. I walked out today, just left my lunch in the fridge that I was stressed about yesterday after not having groceries. So, oh, I gotta pick my groceries up. Oh my God, I'm crackhead hour. Okay, so then Pilates, groceries, and then I might edit this vlog and see how much I can get done. Yeah, I'm so scared of my facial. It's so painful. I'm so scared. Okay, okay. I'll see you after. Wish me luck. Here's my skin update. It actually doesn't look that bad. I went to Pilates and now I'm home. Oh, bless you. I picked up my groceries and now I'm making some chicken. And I'm gonna try to make this teriyaki chicken bowl that I get at Drake's every single time I go, but it's expensive, so I'm trying to make it at home. So I have rice, chicken, teriyaki, avocado. I don't really know what else goes into it, but that's what I'm gonna put into it. Yeah, and I still have to walk for probably an hour. 7:30. Okay. We're gonna do it. Another exciting package is here. I probably spent way too much money on bagels, but they're protein bagels. So, I didn't even go that fast. Sola, oh, they're soft. 15 grams of protein in one bagel, which is pretty good. So it was like, they're not badly priced, but the shipping is outrageous. So I was like, I'm gonna spend the money to get free shipping. So I got sweet and buttery, blueberry, and everything. Boy, do I love a bagel. And then they had a variety pack of granola, which if you know me, you know I love granola. So this is vanilla almond granola, double chocolate granola, 14 grams of protein. And then this one is maple pecan chocolate granola. So I'm definitely gonna throw this in my bag tomorrow to put in my yogurt. I'm so excited. All right, time to walk and edit this vlog. So let's see how much I can get done. I did it. I got my 10,000 steps in, so yay, success. And I got a lot of editing done, which is always a good thing. So I am gonna end off this video right here. Thank you so much for coming along for a Sunday reset / Monday reset. Subscribe down below if you are not already to enjoy all the fun content coming your way. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.